Starting today, wala na tayong babalikan na pangit na mga alaalang na gawa natin, nasaktan natin siguro yung bawat isa, nagtampo ka siguro, Rain, o nagtampo ka, Gretel. Starting today, we're gonna move forward. Kung ano yung plano ng Diyos, yun yung mangyayari sa buhay natin. Gretel, do you take this man, tingnan mong mabuti, to be your husband, to love him, submit to him, forsaking all others, and cling only to him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Pero nung umpisa, wala pa akong parang hindi pa ako ready na pumasok sa relationship hanggang sa napansin ko yung first impression ko sa kanya, masungit, yan, hindi namamasin. Pero ayun, hanggang sa actually ang babaw lang nung naging namin, kung ano yung pinakadahilan is dahil sa kape. Kasi nung time na yun, naghahanap ako ng kape. Siya yung nag-abot sa akin. Tapos hanggang sa kinabukasan, naulit-ulit yun.
Years from now, I'll sing this song just like I am today. I have waited all my life just to hear you say forever.
Alam ko na every time na nag-aaway tayo, sabi ko nga sa'yo, every time na nag-aaway tayo, balik lang tayo sa Lord and okay na ulit. Pinapangako sa'yo na mamahalin kita at mas mamahalin pa kita. And hindi ako mapapagod na mahalin ka. Kasi sobrang mahal na mahal kita.
Commitment, for me, hindi siya madali. Pero dahil alam naman namin na si God yung magiging center ng relationship namin, ang sabi nga po nila, walang madaling relasyon. Pero kung si God naman yung magiging sentro ng relationship ninyong dalawa, so, posible na maging okay.
I just want to share na never kong parang napanaginipan na ikakasal ako, I'm walking down the aisle. Kaya pala, little did I know na hindi ko siya napapanaginipan kasi it will become my reality. And it's happening today. And I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed na si Rain yun kasi sobrang nararamdaman ko yung pagmamahal na binibigay mo.
Kasi alam ko, madami ka rin sinakripisyo sa amin, lalo na nung malilit pa kami, ikaw yung nagtrabaho nun. And thank you. Just your mere presence here is more than enough. Love you na.
Harap ka kay Gretel. Si Gretel ang papakasalan mo, hindi ako. Ayan. Ayan, harap.
First time ko po
Do you take this woman? Do you take this woman to be your wife? To love her? To comfort her, honor her, provide for her, forsaking all others, and cling only to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Under the stars, I see everything that led to where we are, and I wouldn't change a thing under the moon. Oh, the wishing that we did is coming true, like I got magic up my sleeve, and you can't fight.
Masahabaan ko pa yung pasensya ko. Ikaw din.
You got me dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see that you bring out the best in me.
I know na God will just pour out His love to you para ma-extend din sa akin yun and sa mga taong mahal mo din. I love you so much, love.
Dancing with no shoes tonight, out here in the street, taking chances like we're kids tonight, like we're 17. Every day that I'm with you, everyone can see, they can see that you bring out the best in me. In me.